What you doing, Mama?
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Fiddle-dee-dee.
There they are standing in a row.
Bam, bam, bam.
Big one, small one.
Some as big as your head. Give him a twist, a flick of the wrist. That's what the showman said. Now that I've got more mini brands for you. This is series 2 from Target. And these are specifically the foodie ones, which
Only at
means
Target.
we are going to be getting some very, very specific, famous brands.
Correct.
So let's get this opened up and get started. All right, Mama, how many balls we got?
Foodie McFoodie, Foodie Mini Brand. So there are 4 balls in
Boop.
the tube. Boop. Boop. Pour the tube.
Hello, I spy with my little eye.
Hello. Hello.
All right.
I'm being weird.
Yeah, it's Friday
Okay,
when we're filming this.
When we're filming this, it is a Friday.
Yes. All right, so let's let Mama get them opened up. All right, Mama, what you got? Woo. All right, we've got 5 packets.
Yes.
And here's our collector's guide. I will take that from you, and we can get started. All right, Mama kind of barreled ahead before the camera was ready.
I did, because I was kind of excited about this. So here, look at the little Jack
So
in the
that
Box.
is from Jack in the Box, and I'm trying to figure out what that is.
Probably the chicken tenders, chicken nuggets.
I don't know. Please hold. Oh my gosh, these are the Jack in the Box tiny tacos. Mama.
They're really, really cute.
Yeah. Is this one of your favorite sets so far? Just based on this?
These are fun.
Yes.
And for all of you fast food junkie people, this is right up
Perfect.
your alley.
All right, Mama,
Perfect
let's
thing.
get the next one. Please hold. All right, Mom, what's this one?
This is TGI Fridays. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's a rack of ribs.
Oh,
Fridays.
too funny.
So, and I'm looking to see.
Okay.
Oh, it does close, or it does. Oh my gosh, and it closes.
Too cute. All right, Mama, open your next one.
Oh,
We got a pizza, which is perfect because we are eating pizza.
We are eating pizza.
Wait, is that a pizza?
This is
It's a Detroit-style pizza, I think.
Ooh, Detroit style. I didn't
Open
even
it
know Pizza
up.
Hut started making them that way. Let's see. Hold on. Oh my goodness.
Please hold. And here's our Detroit-style pizza.
I didn't even know them.
What's the next one, Mama?
This one's also in it. Oh, this one.
Is that Arby's?
This is no. This is from Jack in the Box. Also, maybe
This is their sourdough jack.
Oh, okay. I was thinking like a bacon cheeseburger.
No, it's their sourdough jack. And then let's go on to the last one, Mama.
I love how the box is flipped up.
Yeah.
Last one we have.
What is it? What is it?
Very turquoisey.
And there's...
Oh, we gotta have dessert. Here
What
is
did we get?
cinnamon.
So cute. Are there cinnamon rolls inside?
Let me see if it's actually come out or if it's just. Wait. Let's wait. I don't want to rip the back. Hold on.
Let's see. Is there cinnamon rolls inside? Let's see what's inside.
Oh, they are.
Oh my gosh. Mom, do you need help? You got it?
I think so. Hold on. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Look.
So cute. Okay, Mom. These are adorable.
These are really cute. Like
Yes.
I said, for all you miniature collectors,
These are cute.
Super cute with all the name brand
Yep.
products.
All right, we're going to eat some pizza, and then we're going to do the next 3. But for you guys, that'll be half a second. All right, Mama, you ready to open the second one?
Let's twist the ball and
Whee! Wait, what's that? Why is that silver?
it says Foodie Mini Brand. Oh, what is?
What is it? What? I'm confusion.
I don't know what this little.
What is it? Why is it smaller? It's a smoothie?
It's a smoothie.
Is it the scented one?
Yes, it is.
We got one of the scented ones.
That's why it's in the silver.
Oh my gosh, and it does smell like mangoes. So
It does.
cute. That's a good one.
Ooh.
That was the scented ones. I don't know if they're rare, but we got one. So that's exciting. Oopsies. What's the next one, Mama?
This looks like it's in. Oh, it's in one of the black.
Is that the P.F. Chang pork dumplings?
I believe so. Yes, it is.
So
oh my gosh,
cute.
Look at those.
So cute. We'll
Is
open
that
it up
the
for...
P.F. Chang pork dumplings. Oh my gosh.
Yes,
look
it
at those.
is. Oh my gosh, those are
See
too
what's
cute.
in this one.
What's in the next one, Mama? She's just barreling ahead. I think she really likes these.
This is another Pizza Hut one.
Okay, this is a different pizza though.
It
Can we
is
get
a-
this one open, or do
Yes,
I?
This one is opening much easier.
Okay,
this
this is just a
like
cheese pizza.
But you know what? There's nothing wrong with the plain cheese pizza. Some
Yep.
people like
Actually,
plain.
this is the hand tossed
The hand
cheese
tossed
pizza. Ooh.
Okay, here's.
That one is, what is it? What's inside of it? Is it tacos?
It is tacos.
From Jack in the Box.
From Jack in the Box. It sure is. Let's see, are they both the same kind of tacos?
Probably.
Here's one taco.
One taco.
And two tacos.
These are so funny, Mom.
They are
I
funny.
actually love these.
These are really funny.
I
like these, I think, the best of all of them.
Yes. Is that all 5 of them from that one? Oh, no, you missed one.
Oh, I did miss
You
one.
silly goose.
But again, there's people that collect miniatures, and these are...
I just love these. Okay, wait. Is this one of the Frozen Moments one, or is this a regular one?
This looks like onion rings.
So
Are they
that
onion rings?
is, no, those are Jack in the
fries?
Box curly fries.
I would say.
But I don't think those are the Frozen Moment one, because the Frozen Moment ones look like that, and I really want those
No.
because they're
Are
fun.
these onion rings?
No, those are curly fries. They're the large curly fries.
Oh, okay. The moment ones, they're springing out
Yes.
of the package.
All right,
Okay.
Mama, let's get ready for the next one. All right, Mama.
Ready, go.
Whee! Okay, no scented ones. That's just the paper.
One, that is the paper. Okay.
I hope we get a Frozen Moments. Okay, another pizza. What kind? The problem with the pizzas? Oh, it's another cheese.
Another cheese.
Oh, Abby would be so excited. Abby is my sister, and she is boring and likes cheese pizza all the time.
That's her fave. But
Yes,
she's
but
just-
that is what
oh my
she
gosh,
is.
Okay.
Okay, that's another Pizza Hut. Is that traditional wings? Do you need help opening it?
Okay.
Were you at the wrong hinge?
I was at the hinges there.
Okay,
Oh,
let's see if it
goodness.
opens. Please hold. And we got money. Mom, money came out of that bag.
Oh, did it?
Yeah,
Okay.
now I'm wondering, did we accidentally throw out money? Please hold.
Money, money, money.
We've got 50 pounds, a stack of 50
50
pounds, and that'll buy us a lot of wings because we got
Yes.
our traditional wings.
In a rich man.
What's the next
world.
one?
Money, money, money.
Okay, what
it's
is
a
it?
Fish.
Oh, it's from Kora. So this is actually called taiyaki, or in Korean it's called bulobang.
I'm glad she knew that because I did not. Okay,
Yes.
this looks like a burrito.
That's a burrito.
Burrito from-
Very nice. I think that's Jack in the Box. Please. All right, Mama. What's the last one?
And it's
Oh no!
Oh, no, it
We
came
have a
out.
jumper. Oh, so this is from.
Looks like salmon.
This is their salmon toro nigiri. Very
Very
cute.
cute. Oh, look at this.
All right, we have one ball left, and we have some noisy dogs that are mad that we're done with pizza. All right, Mama, ready to open the last one?
Last ball in this set. Each
Whee! Okay, no scented
no
ones.
scented ones, no.
But that doesn't mean we don't get any of the Frozen Moment ones.
Only 4?
There should be 5. Check the other half of the ball, lady. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, hello. I don't know how to count.
No, let's open the first one.
First one is, it's from Cinnabon.
Okay, what is it? I'm checking our list.
Probably a latte or something.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Please hold.
Like a chocolate latte.
That is their Cinnabon Mocha Lotta Chill.
Mocha Lotta Chill. There we go.
All right, what's the next one, Mama?
It's another drink. This is a smoothie.
This is the Jack in the Box. Is that the, no, that's the Jamba Razzmatazz, right?
Yeah, it looks very
Very cute.
cute.
Where's that Watermelon Breeze? No, that's the Razzmatazz one. All right, next one.
Oh, another drink. This one.
Oh, this is all drinks. Good, because we're going to be thirsty from all this salt.
Exactly. Oh, this one is from Auntie Anne's. Is it a lemonade, maybe?
Ooh, is it it's their regular lemonade, one of our favorite things to get.
One of her favorite things.
I love their lemonade. It's good.
Okay, we have another little box of.
Oh, we got more of the mini tacos.
More mini tacos.
Okay, and then the last one, Mama.
Let's move the drinks over here.
Yes. What's in the last one?
Up. It's another burrito, so that's a
Okay,
dupe.
so we got 2 dupes. Actually, we got 3 dupes. The tacos don't count as dupes because they came in a set of 2.
package, yes.
So this is everything we got. Mom, what do you think of these?
Very fun. They're very fun.
I like these ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. All very fun.
They're my favorite out of all the ones that we've done from the Mini-Brands
So far.
so far. Yes. All right, anything to say to your fans?
Have a great day.
Right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.